Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making lemon meringue pie. To make the pastry base, take 140 grams of butter, 225 grams of flour, and 3 tablespoons of icing sugar along with 1 egg yolk. Sift the flour and icing sugar into a bowl, and add the butter, and rub the mixture between your fingers until it looks something like this. Then add in the egg yolk and mix everything together. Knead the pastry until everything comes together, and it looks something like this. And wrap it in some clingfilm and leave it to chill in the fridge for half an hour. After the half an hour is up, knead the dough a little bit more and then press it into your tin. Make sure you cover the sides as well. Then prick the base with a fork. Put a layer of baking sheet on top and cover in ceramic beans. If you don't have ceramic baking beans, then you can use rice instead. Make sure your oven is preheated to 180 degrees and bake it in the oven for 10 minutes until it's golden brown. Then take the baking beans off and bake it again in the oven for an extra 10 minutes. For the filling, take one 394 gram tin of condensed milk and add in 3 egg yolks and whisk everything together. Then take the zest and juice of 2 lemons and add that in as well and mix everything together. Then put it in the fridge until we need it again. Here I've taken a serrated edge knife and I'm just trimming off the extra pieces of the pastry. Then add your filling on top of the pastry and leave it in the fridge to set. To make the meringue, take 105 grams of caster sugar and 4 egg whites. Whisk the egg whites in a bowl until they start to form stiff peaks. And then slowly and gradually add in the caster sugar. And it should be quite glossy and shiny. Here I'm taking dollops of the meringue and I'm putting them on top of the filling and smoothing everything out. Then I'm taking the back of the spoon so it can form peaks, which gives a nice golden brown color when it comes out the oven. Then bake it in the oven for 5 to 10 minutes and it should look something like this. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.